G'day everyone, once again Jason Haines here, QPL Rural, right here in Narendra and Temora, with another look around the Riverina at what's been happening with another edition of the Haines Report. Well, some follow-up rain last weekend was very good to see. I know it was certainly wet and cold at Griffith last week. Absolutely froze there on the Friday, but Saturday was a better day. Thanks to all those people or clients that come and saw me on the day. That was absolutely fantastic, and no doubt everyone had a good chance to have a look around. Now, as expected at the water auctions there on the Friday, prices were subdued somewhat. There was a lot of parcels passed in on the day. It was raining outside pretty heavy, so no doubt people taking the position of a wait and see on that permanent water. It was good to see high security water still making that $7,000 a megalitre on the day, and there was a parcel of mid-Murrumbidgee permanent water that did set a new record price at $2,000, so that was quite interesting given where recent sales have been around that mid-Murrumbidgee bore water. Temporary trading generally has been very flat this last week with the rain and with people not prepared to take position with the current season, and also with the seasonal determinations about to be announced once again. So you are looking at prices around that $5.20, $5.30 for general security water if you wanted to step in the market at the moment on both the Murray and the Murrumbidgee systems. As I did say last week, I do have some bore water at the moment. If you're looking lower Murrumbidgee bore water over either Zone 3 or Zone 2, I've got people looking for water at the moment. And Zone 3, I've got people looking to sell approximately 450 megs there. So if you're looking for water in that space for carryover, please give me a call. I've also got some Katunga deep lead water. Now that's over in Victoria. Again, another 400 megs down there if you're looking to take a position on that with the season coming to a close. In livestock markets this week, well, I won't say too much here because the other Jason McGrath, is going to soon be doing reports in this space. But I will say at the moment, at the time of recording, the Eastern Young Cattle Indicator had slid a little bit on those eastern states. A little bit of a quality issue there, and feedlotters perhaps not buying quite as strongly as they were, given that the feed's about to sort of take off in those eastern states, down where the rainfall's been. So the Eastern Young Cattle Indicator slipping a little bit, sitting at 466.5 cents per kilo carcass weight. The National Trade Limb Indicator, well, I'm recording this on Thursday, so it hasn't shifted much at 771. But I'd expect out of the back of the Wagga sale today, we're going to see a jump in that price again. And the mutton job still trading at 539 cents per kilo carcass weight. Now, we are starting to certainly see some feed come along in those eastern states. I've got a few people looking at perhaps taking adjustment on in the next 4 to 5 weeks. Also going to be looking at buying lambs in that space to trade themselves. So please keep it in mind. If you're looking for adjustment or you're looking to trade on, please give us a call. And hopefully we can line you up there. I've got a few cotton farmers at the moment, of all things, that have got some regrowth cereal crops that they're perhaps looking to put stock on for the next month or two, just to pull that cereal crop down ready for next season's cotton crop, assuming they get some allocation. No doubt there's going to be some opportunities here, so please give us a call and let us know what your requirements are, and hopefully we can match something up for you. In rural property this week, well, another week to go on the Yanko Creek aggregation. I can't reinforce enough how good an opportunity this one is. We do have some very light, highly sought after sandy soils here. Perfect if you're wanting to take a position in that permanent planting space, or if you want to step into something that's a bit more intensive like cotton, corn, or even potatoes. There's some country here in this aggregation that's going to match up for you. There is dual water supply, both through a Zone 3 lower Murrumbidgee bore and access off the Yanko Creek into that Murrumbidgee system. Approximately 130 megs a day can be pumped out of that system, which gives you good access to both the Murrumbidgee general security or allocation market and that bore market as well. So a good mix of water here, good soils, some pretty good infrastructure here, fencing that's been redone in the last few years, and an opportunity for you to do any number of things in this block. Again, a very flexible and diverse aggregation that can do any number of things, and you just know it's going to be producing high-valued crops for many years to come. As I said, a week to run on this aggregation, so please come and have a look at it and see how the Yanko Creek aggregation could grow your business. For our second property this week, we're going to go a fair bit smaller. I do have a nice little retirement block for somebody, a little project right on the creek frontage. We've got a turn-of-the-century home on it. A brick home with great access to the creek. In fact, the creek runs right past the kitchen window, basically, right at the bottom of the garden there. It's a nice little location, centrally located down there between Narendra and Jerilderie. This great little block is the perfect hideaway to appreciate those better things in life. The vendor's looking to get a job done pretty quickly on this one, but we're not sending it public just at the moment. So please give me a call if you'd like a sneak peek here, and we'll see what we can sort out. Thirdly, this week we'll talk about feed. I do have a number of properties now that do have feed growing on them, and we'll be able to grow stock right into that winter period for you. If you're looking for a finishing block, perhaps you're turning stock off out west and you're looking for somebody to finish stock with some reliability, I do have several properties like Willow Lee, like Wallar, some of the dairy properties. There's a great opportunity there for somebody to step into this space with some feed. You know that lamb market and that beef market's going to be strong this season. So please give me a call here. We can set you up with some of these properties and have you operating pretty quickly. We all know there's very little hay left in the system at the moment, so take this opportunity now to secure one of these properties that is producing feed at the moment and secure that production system for the next few years. Now, as always, if you'd like any more information on any one of our properties we've got here today, please give me a call at any time. I still do have clients looking for some hay out there at the moment, so if you're looking to create a bit of cash flow at the moment and release a bit of cereal hay, please also give me a call. There's plenty of people out there still looking to buy hay, and it's a good opportunity to perhaps take a stock of what you've got and stick some on the market before prices do drop. Once again, please feel free to call me at any time, and I look forward to catching up with everyone again next week. Cheers.